All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started on 701. We're going to make our branch and get ourselves ready to go. So at this point, we want to make sure our environment's set up and we have everything that we need. So let's go take a look. Let's start out with localhost. Make sure our localhost is good. And there we are, and we're ready to go with localhost. Then the next thing we want to make sure is that our control panel is open and we're there. We have that ready to go in case something comes up that we need to get into our hosting. Next thing, let's go make sure that our GitHub pages, our GitHub looks good, and there's our branches, and here's our repository. While we're in here, we can go ahead and get our GitHub pages link open, and we'll just go back to our repository there, and we'll check out our GitHub pages, and we see that those are good as well. Next thing, we'll make sure that our homework is open, that we're able to get to our lesson, and so as we follow instructions and we move along, we know what it is that we're doing. After that, we definitely want to go ahead and check out our production site, which I don't have open yet, so we'll go ahead and we'll open that. Production site is open. We can see where we are. Our last step is 700, which is right there on our production site, what we wanted to do. And then the other thing we want to make sure is that we have our current objective open. We can see the step example and see where we're headed, where we're coming from, where we're going to. So in this example, we'll be able to reference it and see just how we're doing. All right, so then let's go take a look at our Dreamweaver. In our Dreamweaver, we want to make sure that we are have our folder open. We want to make sure that we're in our master branch, which we are, and we want to go ahead and make sure that we can connect to our server, which we can, to our production server. So that's good. We'll set that back to local and set ourselves back to our repository view. So then the next thing that we want to do is go ahead and go into our Cmder or Git, whatever you're using, and let's just do a quick git status and make sure that we're in our project, our 7xx project, that we're on our master branch. Let's go ahead and run a git status and make sure everything is, that we're starting off clean and good, which we are. Let's check our branches. And we can see that we have our 700-0, 700-1, and awesome, so we're good there, and we're getting ready. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and do git checkout, and we're going to do 701-0 and get ourselves our branch. Oh, I accidentally put a backslash in there, so we'll give that one more shot. Get rid of the backslash, and now we can see git. Oh, silly me. Lesson to learn here. We have to create the branch. So we have to put -b. And we'll go ahead and we'll hit enter, and now we can see. I'm going to clear that mess up just so we have a good screen. We can see that we're in 701-0, and let's do one more git status just to make sure we're good to get rolling, and we are. So we will see you in the next video.